Most people hear about Swagbucks and immediately ask the same question. Is this actually legit? Or is it just another app wasting your time for pennies? Here's the truth no one tells you. Swagbucks really does pay users, but your experience depends heavily on how you use the platform. Some people earn decent side rewards consistently, while others quit after a few frustrating surveys. In this video, I'll give you an honest Swagbucks review for 2026. We'll cover how it works, how much money you can realistically make, the biggest pros and cons, and whether it's still worth using today. Let's get straight into it. Swagbucks is a rewards platform where users earn points called SB for completing online activities. These include surveys, shopping cashback, watching videos, playing games, searching the web, and testing offers. Now here's where it gets interesting. Most beginners think surveys are the main way to earn, but experienced users often make more through cashback shopping and special offers. For example, Alex from New York used Swagbucks while buying electronics online during holiday sales. Between cashback rewards and bonus offers, he earned enough SB points for multiple Amazon gift cards from purchases he was already planning to make. But here's the problem. Surveys can be frustrating. Many users spend several minutes answering qualification questions only to get rejected before completing the survey. This is where most people fail. They rely entirely on surveys instead of using multiple earning methods together. In a minute, I'll show you the smartest strategy that experienced Swagbucks users follow to maximize earnings. One of the biggest strengths of Swagbucks is flexibility. You can earn in small moments throughout the day. Jake from Texas answers quick surveys during lunch breaks, scans receipts after shopping, and occasionally completes app offers at night. The platform also has a strong reputation compared to many newer reward apps. Swagbucks has been around for years and offers multiple payout methods including PayPal and gift cards. Now, here's where it gets even more important. Swagbucks works best as a side reward platform, not a full-time income source. Most casual users realistically earn anywhere from a few dollars to maybe $50 monthly, depending on activity levels and available offers. Another thing worth mentioning is payout reliability. Many users successfully redeem PayPal cash and gift cards regularly, but first-time withdrawals can sometimes take longer due to account verification. This is also important. Swagbucks actively monitors suspicious behavior. Using fake survey answers, VPNs, or multiple accounts can lead to account suspension and lost rewards. Now let's talk about the biggest downside. Earnings can feel slow if you don't focus on higher value opportunities like cashback deals, referral bonuses, and premium offers. So here's the honest verdict. Swagbucks is legitimate, beginner-friendly, and still one of the safer reward platforms in 2026. But it works best for people looking for extra spending money, not massive income. If you stay consistent and use the platform strategically, the rewards can absolutely add up over time. If you've tried Swagbucks before, comment below with your experience and highest cash out. And if this honest review helped you decide whether it's worth using, hit like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more real online earning reviews and tutorials.